Okay, we put the first piece of the ladder up. Carried it all up here. It wasn't too bad. That piece is a little heavy, but not bad. Probably less than 100 pounds. And much safer than pulling some long ladder up from the outside of the house, because you can't bring anything longer up the stairs. So I also screwed it into the roof. In there 1.5 inches. Got 2.5 inches in there, so there are ways through that roof. And it's plywood, it's Geico, so after I'm done, I'll just brush it off good and Geico the holes. One of the good advantages of that. So it feels really sturdy. Like there's no movement to it. Like it just doesn't move. It's solid, which is very good. It's sitting nice and flat. You can see right here that it's touching. Oops. It's touching in spots. So it's nice and it should be solid. I don't think it's going to break anything. You can see here's a slate that I'd like to replace. But there's our main goal right there. Right above that shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another piece. We have 3 pieces. Gosh, I thought that'd be enough, but maybe I'm wrong. And we're going to screw each one in. Pretty sure I should not do it one-handed, so I'm going to have to stop videotaping. But basically going to set it on there gently, and then we'll bring these down and screw them in. And we're going to go ahead and put all 3 on. Oh goodness, I don't know. Maybe it's not going to be enough. I'm probably going to need one more. Oh well, let's see how far it goes, and then I'm going to have to build another one tonight if I need to. The bees are out a little bit today, but I don't think they'll bother me. They're not out too much. And I'll just be going past them anyways. Okay, let's see how far 3 pieces will get us. Let's see, about there, there, there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a 4th. Okay. Let's see what it does.